Alright, so I just want to make this video real quick. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube explaining about everybody that installs this short shifter, cobb. They have issues with a noise, like a rattling noise going on. I've seen a lot of people, they say it's the either bushings, but in my case, I noticed that it was when I was in the higher RPMs, the noise would get louder. So, I assumed it was the lockout cable for your reverse. I didn't really want to go under the car. I don't have it on stands right now. So what I did was took all this off. Pretty easy. It was literally those screws right there. And then you can access under here. And there it is, this cable. So this cable is literally just rubbing onto the drivetrain back there. Here, let me see if I can get a better angle. Right there, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right about there. Yeah, there it is. So when you go into the higher RPMs, that cable rubs right there on your drivetrain. So what I'm gonna do is zip tie one up there and one there, and we'll see if it stops the rattling. Alright, so after putting the zip tie, it'll look something like that right there. I decided to put it over this. I know some people would rather put this under, but looks like there's no issues with shifting so far, even with the reverse. And that's how it looks like. Now, another issue that people run into is when they're going into first, this piece right here rubs onto this metal plate. Just give me 1 second. So this is the plate that goes in the front where the boot is, where you shift. When you go into first gear, it'll hit right here. So what I'm gonna do is do a little cutout like this and then go straight down, maybe behind this bolt, so that we can get into first with no issues. So now that I did that cutout on that plate right here, cut this side and up there, I can go into first and it won't hit. It clears it right. Look, it's tight. But yeah, now you can go into first, second, third, fourth, and your reverse too. I don't have a tripod, but we're gonna do a quick test drive so you guys can hear that. You don't hear that noise no more.